mo ṣàwọn pé bó pẹ́ bóyá àwọn èèyàn wa ní much better clarity and understanding.
140 to Harrow Weald.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ Mr. Kunle Shita, ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò wa náà sọ. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣe wà pẹ̀lú wa, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà lẹ́nu iṣẹ́ mo kí ẹ̀yin, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀yin wà sí tẹ̀sí níbi iṣẹ́ náà mo kí yín. Ti gbọ́ àwọn tiwa nísàlẹ̀ mẹ́rin tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn mothers wa. Ẹ káàárọ̀ grandma wo ni ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ètò náà. Ẹ bá wa kí ìyàwó Pastor Mo wọ́n lòzì ńlọ wọn fún àwọn Boko Haram terrorists ní 2 days ago ní Port Harcourt. Ńlọ wọn wà lára àwọn tí àwọn Boko Haram kidnap tí wọ́n dẹ̀ pa ní ọjọ́ méjì sẹ́yìn lónìí. Kọ́lọ́run jọ̀ọ́ kó bá foríjì dáàdì wa náà, wọ́n níyàwó wọn náà ṣaláìsí láìpẹ́ yìí, kó bá foríjì wọn. Ẹni kan ló mọ̀ òun lọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà, tó o báyìí ti kàn wọ́ má sọ pé àwọn tó kàn pé kò sí tó kàn wọ́n níbẹ̀. A lot of our people are going through so much. Mo kí ẹ̀yin tó ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì náà. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi tó ní ages mo kí yẹn káàárọ̀. Heathrow Terminal 4 ni a ti ń bọ̀ láti ìgbà tí a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ program yìí fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. Láti Heathrow ni a ti wọnú public transport. Just like bó ṣe yẹ kó rí náà pé kíyàn lọ sí Muritala Mohammed Airport kò dẹ̀ wọ public transport kò dẹ̀ máa bá eré àníyàn lọ tí yàn kankan ní intimidated tí ìwọ náà dẹ̀ ní intimidate anybody. But unfortunately that is not the same níbi tí àwa ti wá. Mo kíyàn grandma àwọn ní akópàdé ànámà àdẹ̀kópalẹ̀ mọ́ bàbá wa olóyè Ìgbòho tó ń bọ̀ ní UK ní October lágbára Ọlọ́run. Láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá máa gbọ́ ìkéde yẹn dáadáa, àmọ́ èmi kàn jí sọ fún yín ni pé ní October ẹ máa gbáradì sílẹ̀ fún ọmọ Adéyẹmọ Ìgbòho Òòṣà, ìyẹn Dr. Sunday tí wọ́n ń bọ̀ fún ọjọ́ mélòó kan ní United Kingdom. Mo kí gbogbo wa o. Live transmission lẹ́ ń wò yìí, gbogbo tẹ́ ń rí ní bíbá yìí kò jẹ́ kó ní ìyàtọ̀ síbi tí ó wà ní gbogbo local government tó ń bẹ ní Kwara State lọ sí Kogi State títí tí máa wà tí ọ̀nà tí ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ náà máa wà tó máa wà tó lókàlùkù máa lọ ní wọ́ọ́rọ́wọ́. But ìkà tó ṣe ni pé gbogbo local government ẹ kó ṣiṣẹ́ ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n mọ̀ jẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́, wọ́n dá local government yìí and eventually everybody is now struggling. Those local governments that are meant to be the backbone of the community, gbogbo local government ẹ pátápátá failed látara pé wọ́n ní full autonomy. So as we have it today, all the local governments are as useless as tissue paper. Once again, a very good morning and a very good afternoon, depending on what part of the globe you're watching. It's coming up to 20 minutes past 11 a.m. This is a live feed of what one of the road network very close to Harlington or close to Greenford, which is also not too far away from the M4, which is the motorway, and likewise the proximity to the Heathrow Airport. I am OLAYOMI KOIKI. You are watching this transmission on my platform. Moki just raising good morning. Moki Mr. Koikimedia Rosulu, Sabitu Ibrahim, Anyanfe Oluwa, good morning. If you are new to this platform, we talk about self-determination and all the reasons. Moki awon yawo mi, moki awon omo. Moki yatobi mi lomo, moki Professor Adebanji Akitoye, the true leader of the Yoruba self-determination campaign. Only man mean anything, someone to one in the UK, but for those of you in Nigeria, this should mean a lot to you, because without a great network, I've traveled all the way from Terminal 4 Heathrow Airport at Ilolori train, internet will disconnect. Titi di Bijemba in Soro Nisin, the connection is still holding. Yato sipe mo pa Facebook at our platform to cool, but the two YouTube channel, which is the WD76 at Koikimedia, has been live for the last 1 hour 44 minutes. So tebashe darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, ẹ máa ní láti rewind padà sẹ́yìn kẹ́ lọ wo gbogbo tí a ti ń sọ̀bọ̀ láti bí almost 2 hours in educating ourselves and asking the question, what went wrong that we could not be given a better system in the same country called Nigeria? Why are they creating roads that are not working? Moki, I am Supi láti Russia. Moki gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ agree àtẹ̀yin tẹ́ disagree pé kí Nigeria kó ṣe wà. Torí àwọn kan wà tó sì sọ pé Nigeria ṣì lè work. Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ǹkan sí brother mi, Yorùbá ni mí, Yorùbá ni ìran mi. Moki Mr. Lanre Jinadu, moki Okoya Fọláyan, ìyá mi Esther Abdul, moki Elder MKO Onífádé, moki yín sir. Moki brother mi Agboola Kazeem Olúwabùkọ́lá, moki gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń bẹ ní Badagry. Moki àwọn tó ń bẹ ní ìlú Benin Republic, ẹ kú àlejò bàbá wa Olóyè Ọmọ Adéyẹmọ. Moki gbogbo àwọn medias wa nílé. Moki gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní ìlú South East tí ẹ ti ń wò mí, moki ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní North. Àníṣe Nigeria ó ti mẹ́hẹ, ó ti affect gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá wọ́n ń sùn, wọ́n ń jí ni. Ẹ ṣé gan ni thumbs up bàbá mi Lanre Jinadu. Mo kí brother mi bàbá wa Adébùṣọlá Abíọ́dún, mo ní ẹ káàárọ̀ ni à ń sọ lé èdè Yorùbá ní 20 minutes past 11 a.m. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá náà á máa wò pé òun náà máa jápa ṣáàdì. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ láti jápa. Àmọ́ àwọn tá à ń bẹ nílùú òyìnbó after 24 years ó ti sú wa, a fi padà sílé. But púpọ̀ nù wa tá fi padà sílé, ilé ò ní gbogbo basic amenities tó lè jẹ́ kéèyàn sustain láti gbégbé àlàáfíà. Lára ẹ̀ ni pé kéèyàn kọ́kọ́ ní environment tó ń ṣiṣẹ́. Ẹ̀yin náà máa wo gbogbo environment yìí. Àwọn èèyàn ti gbálẹ̀ kọjá láàárọ̀ yìí. Àwọn kan ti ṣe kí ni, wọ́n ti gba lálẹ́ àná, wọ́n tún máa gba lọ́la. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ṣe ń sọ pé gbogbo 191 local government ilẹ̀ Yorùbá lẹ́nu, what is the value system of it? Iṣẹ́ wo ló ń ṣe? And this is the question we are asking. Nelson Wanga, Moki àwọn Biafra, a shout out to all our followers around the world. And as many of you that are new to this platform, we only talk about self-determination. Daddy mi Mua Oludare JP Mukinsa. Ẹ bá wa kọ ṣe thumbs up, ẹ bá wa pín ètò yìí. Kọ́mọ Yorùbá lè wá wo road network. ó wá wo àwọn mọ́tò tó ń rí ní títì lọ́tún lọ́sì mọ́tò mi ti darúgbó rẹpẹtẹ àmọ́ ó gbọ́dọ̀ pàṣẹ tó ń pè ní MOT tó bá wà MOT kò ní right láti wà lójú títì ìjọba. Royal Mail ó ní iye staff tó ń pa wọlé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bàbá mi mú ọ wọ́n ní White Lion mo kí ẹ mo kí ní Cuba mo kí ní Canada mo kí ní gbogbo Togo mo kí ní Ghana mo kí ní Ivory Coast. Mo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo ń dúpẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn Biafrans pé àsìkò tí gbogbo àjọ dìde yìí nobody must relent wotowoto. Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin mùsùlùmí pé inshallah lágbára ti anabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam ìran Yorùbá máa bọ́ nínú ìdààmú àti ìdì tí British kó wa sí. Mo ní what God cannot do does not exist. I am on the bus bẹ́ẹ̀ ni orí bus ni mo wà. I've been on the bus for the last, I'm connecting from one place to the other. I'm on the bus, as you can see. Yes, I'm on the bus. I'm on the London transport, heading towards, Harrow, and then from there connect. Mukidadiwa Oluwafunsho Moses. When the farmers are finishing their produce, they need a road network that can move the goods to the next pointer. But unfortunately, Nigeria could not provide a good road network. Let me turn the camera back again. Ujumi Kole Ferry, you see my face every day. It is all about when we are outside, I want you to see and follow what is happening when it comes to the road network. Moki, the Koikimedia team that are working back to back on a daily basis is not easy, especially when we have to cover a lot. Ojude Obambo ni on the 16th, I guess. I believe it's on the 16th. Ni Ojude Obama day. All right, mo gbọ́dọ̀ máa sùn para o. Mo gbọ́dọ̀ mo bus stop tí ma ti bọ́lẹ̀ o. Kí n má lọ gbàgbé ara sínú bọ́ọ̀sì o. níbo ló délé sí i. Okay.
मेरी तरफ से कोई फॉल्ट होगा तो मैं ब्याज दूंगा। आपके सामने बात कही थी, अगर मेरी तरफ से नहीं होगा ना मैं दूंगी ना रमन भैया देंगे, इसने कही थी ना ये बात।
बोला देने से ही।
अब इसकी तरफ से कोई
Koja bus stop, Arrow bus stop station. Gotta make sure that. Eshegoni brother and Eshegoni for the super chat. Thank you so much, and we so much appreciate you all the time.
तो फिर अब पूरी कॉलेज में मैं बिल्डा कर रहा हूँ तो काम हो रहा है क्या? ये बेंच सिर्फ पैसे लेने कमाने के लिए बैठी है।
Once again,
वो तो अकाउंट में कॉलेज में तो कल मैंने फोन कर लिया ना।
Hey, शायद कोई èdè tó yẹn sọ ní sanwó ló mọ èdè tó ń sọ. Òun náà máa sọ pé èdè wo lèmi náà ń sọ. Èdè wa yàtọ̀ síra wa. There's no doubt about it. Ṣé òjò ló tún fẹ́ rọ̀ yìí? Ẹ̀nà ṣe sọ pé London weather na Wahala weather. Alright, mo ṣe wà far away. Kò wọ́n fi make sure pé Kings Avenue ni mo wà. So I'm still far away. Alright. Mo kí ọmọ Yorùbá nílé lóko lẹ́ǹkan sí i. Once again, wọ́n ló ń ṣe driving test ẹ̀ lọ́yàn nísìnyí. Bó dẹ̀ yẹ kó ń ṣe lesson ni. So kò lè gbé mọ́tò ṣubú títì pé máa náà ń drive. Kò gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ nípa the roads. O gbọ́dọ̀ mọ̀ pé don't turn left, don't turn right. Stop is stop. Give way sign. Látàárọ̀ nísìnyí, ilé iṣẹ́ pass ni, ilé tó lo P, òun náà ṣe pass ni. He or she is a new driver. Ó dà pọ̀ bìnrin lẹ́ni tó ń drive ẹ̀. But eléyìí nísìnyí, ó ń kọ́ mọ́tò wà ní. Ó dà pé inspector wà nínú mọ́tò yẹn. Yes, mo ti ríyàn tó wọ green. So ó ń ṣe test lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Má gbẹ ṣe ìgbẹ́ driver ó máa fẹ́ lo ọkùnrin lẹ́ni tó ń ṣe test yẹn. Mo ti wọnú mọ́tò yẹn. ó ń ṣe test lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ kò easy ó ń ṣe test lọ́wọ́ mọ́tò tí Mercedes yìí mọ́tò tó wà níwájú yìí ó ń ṣe test ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ driver wọn náà fún láyè náà ìkànnì yẹn fún láyè náà ṣáà rí pé ó ń ṣe test ẹ̀ bákan ṣáà ni wọn náà ṣe kọ́kọ́ gba tọ̀dọ̀ tiẹ̀ so mọ́tò tẹ̀ ń rí ẹni tó wà náà ń ṣe test lọ́wọ́ we're just coming on to the A40 which is the Oxbridge and the Ruslip. Epo ní London láàárọ̀ is £1.46. £1.46.90 ní epo. Diesel is £1.53.90 per litre. So ilẹ̀ wọ̀ yẹn per litre. Èyí tó ń tẹpo láàárọ̀ ní London yẹn. So kò ṣe pé epo náà cheap ní bíbá. It is what it is. Ó dà ń pé yeah, so Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó pass because ó ti ṣe àwọn mistake kan fún bẹ́ẹ̀ láwọn fún ṣe. So we are getting closer. Tó bá yẹ pé mò ń drive mi sí ni A40 ni máa ná gbà á lọ gbé mi jáde sí anger lane because I'm not driving. So síbi tó wà nílùú yìí tó bá ti kánjú wà débi tó ń lọ. That's the beauty about UK. So tó bá ti kánjú wà débi tó ń lọ. Tó bá yẹ pé mò ń kánjú nísìnyí màá ti bọ́ sórí train màá ti gbàgbé pé mo débi tí mò ń lọ. You're watching a live transmission once again as we continue to bring you up to date to load network. Ẹ káàárọ̀ ìyá mi wúrà adé beauty ọmọ kọ́ńbẹ̀ tálàfíà lẹ́wà. I can too zip the drinking in there. Sorrow, látàárọ̀. London has a very great road network. Fantastic. Láti Heathrow Airport nísìn. Mo ti kúrò ní vicinity airport. In the vicinity airport in Bye. So that is the beauty about the road network. So you can connect to see advantage in it. So you know what I'm about transmission láàárọ̀. Are you enjoying the transmission? At least there by 30 to London. You can see what it looks like. Olúkálùkù ló ní iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe. Àwọn kan lọ́rọ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn nísìn. Ó ní kankan tó ń ṣe níbẹ̀ yẹn nísìn. Everybody ló ní iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe nílùú to keep the economy going. Everybody has a role to play. Kò sí pé àwọn èèyàn wá lazy ní Nàìjíríà, but kò sí opportunity for creating enabling environment. No jobs, no opportunities, and that is why 11 million Yoruba people have left Nigeria to different parts of the world, including United Kingdom, England precisely, where this transmission is coming from. One day will be one day, the end of Nigeria. We can't continue like this. I will truck it on law in insane. To bawa secure ko gbọ́dọ̀ sí lórí títì. You know, the driver must be trained. Ẹbí yẹn ó jáná, criminal. Ti jáná. There's an emergency coming somewhere. àmọ́ ibi tó ti ń bọ̀. Emergency kan ló ń bọ̀ yẹn, àmọ́ ibi tó wà bí ẹ̀yìn wà ló wà. So yes, I am currently on the bus, so I'm currently on the London bus. And the London bus gives you a great view. So if you know London very well, this is the A40 to my right. Ambulance Lumbo. There's an ambulance coming behind. Láti lọ rescue kan. That's it. Àwọn máa ń fẹ́ ambulance if you rescue àwọn èèyàn ni. Àfẹ́kẹ́ mi kankan bọ́. Unlike Nigeria that doesn't have what it takes to support millions of Nigerians when it comes to the healthcare. Many things is wrong in Nigeria, and there's no way you can rectify the problem. So the best bet is for everybody to go their separate ways. That is the best bet. So we've had enough. We've tried to make it work. It is just not working. Look at all these trucks, without proper understanding of the road and driving, you cannot have them on the road. So, and that is the reason why you need to understand the importance of why Yoruba people that have been well civilized when it comes to what our towns and villages looks like today. So, but I hope that one day, maybe one of our discussion, one of our broadcasts would also awaken somebody, and they can finally agree that Yoruba people are better off to be independent than to remain in Nigeria today. Ṣẹ̀rí pé gbogbo àwọn buses yẹn, olúkálùkù wọn níbi tó ń lọ. You create the system. It is not free. I think the day bus pass would cost me about £4.75 or thereabout. So £4.75. It is free, but the service is available and it is working. So, which is the key and the most important part of it. Actually, I'm considering Shogun and shout out to all the Yorubas home and abroad that are crying out for us to be free from the shackles and the bondage of Nigeria. Monkey Mr. Yakubu Jimo, good morning. Don't expect anything to come out of Nigeria. If you do, you're wasting your time. Nothing great is coming out of that country. Rather, it is going backwards. And nothing great is expected from a country that doesn't love its citizens. So, we'll probably be saying in the next 20 minutes so that I can have a bit of break. At 2 hours. So, I'll be bringing the program down and be appreciating everyone that have joined me this morning, as I'll be back again with more programs and more discussion on the reason why we should exit Nigeria to have our own country. So, thank you so much, everyone. As I say all the time, I am just playing my role, and I hope that you will play yours as well. So that's all I can say. And on that note, I say au revoir, and we will be back with more programs some other time. Just reason. Thank you so much. And drivers are not allowed to tailgate any you tailgate emergency. You lose your license. You're not allowed to tailgate ambulance, police, fire trucks. So, and on that note, okay, brother, I'm easy. I'm a Sorolayin. And on that note, have a very great afternoon wherever you are, and stay safe. Bye for now.